Tesla to hold a rare event for Tesla semi-deliveries on December 1st. Wow, they're really going to put these out there. Well, they're really going to put them on the roads. It's a nice-looking truck, I'll tell you that right now. Mm-hmm. Tesla confirmed it's going to hold an event on December 1st for the first Tesla semi-deliveries. More details about the production version of the electric truck could be released. Tesla used to hold regular unveiling events for new products and production vehicle programs. The automaker moved away from them since the pandemic and instead held Battery Day and AI Day events. CEO Elon Musk said that Tesla wouldn't unveil new vehicles for a while as it focuses on ramping up production of its existing vehicle programs. Here we have a tweet from Martin Vieca. If you want to attend the semi-delivery event as a retail shareholder, please make sure you have a verified shareholder status on our IR website. We'll be doing a random draw where one share equals one entry. And then you get to go to the semi-delivery event. There's been some big customers of these semis. I don't think it was Walmart. Was it Target? Somebody bought up a bunch of these. They'll probably be present. It's probably a decent deal that's been made. Those can't be cheap. What do you think one of those goes for?
Like
couple hundred?
200K or something?
Couple hundred. Look at you get the two screens. That's what you need, Will.
This is very nice.
You need one screen on each side.
Mm-hmm.
I wouldn't mind. And you get to sit in the center of the windshield there.
One for stocks, one for YouTube.
Well, unbelievable.
It's a great time.
One for FTX.
Yeah. FTX updates. It's a nice fleet here.
Oh my God! Can they get it sorted out? The FTX guys, is there a way, or is it just it's all over? I don't know. Like, are they going to get funding from anyone? They have so many high-profile investors with big bank accounts, but I don't know. It's one of those things. It starts to go sideways. Everybody gets off the bandwagon. Everybody exits. It's just like
just as fast as they came in. Right?
Wow. So what do we have? 32 tweets from SBF. SBF is the founder, CEO anyway.
Should we wait for that section or no?
Yeah, we're waiting for that section. Don't worry.
Okay, yeah.